everybody, welcome back. So today we're making a no-bake cookies and cream cheesecake. This is so good. It's one of my actual favorite recipes that I've made. Oh my gosh. And this recipe can actually also be made without gelatin. So if you don't eat gelatin, Paddington's coming into my studio. He's being so naughty. Paddington. Anyway, so yeah, if you don't eat gelatin, don't worry, you can make this cake as well. So let's get started. So first we're going to make the base. You want to pop some Oreos into a food processor and pulse until they resemble a fine crumb. Then add some melted butter and pulse until everything is fully incorporated. Press the cookie mixture into the bottom of a 9-inch round springform pan and then pop it into the fridge while you make the filling. Then to make the filling, beat the cream cheese with an electric mixer until it's smooth. Add some sugar and mix to combine. Then add some whipping cream, lemon juice, and vanilla extract and mix until combined. Then combine some gelatin and water in a small bowl and microwave for 30 seconds or until the gelatin has fully melted. Then add it to the cheesecake mixture and mix until well combined. And so if you're not using gelatin, don't worry, just completely skip the gelatin step, but leave everything the same. So yeah, it's pretty easy to not use gelatin. Then add some crushed Oreos and mix well. Then pour this into a springform pan and smooth the surface, and then pop it into the fridge overnight or until firm. And so if you didn't add the gelatin, instead of popping it into the fridge, pop it into the freezer for maybe about, this cake is a bit thicker than normal, so I think maybe like 2 hours. I've actually doubled the recipe for my cheesecake because it wasn't as high as I initially wanted it to be. It didn't look as nice, it looked too flat in my eyes. So I doubled the filling recipe. So I'm just calculating in my head. But yeah, so I'd freeze it for about 2 hours and that way it'll still be firm. It's just the coldness of the freezer will firm up the cheesecake instead of the gelatin, and it will get softer quicker because you're not using gelatin to keep it nice and upright. But this technique totally does work, and yeah, it's an awesome way to eat it even if you don't eat gelatin. Then to make the topping, you want to beat some cream cheese and butter with an electric mixer until smooth. Add some vanilla extract and mix to combine. Then gradually add some confectioner's sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Pop the frosting into a piping bag fitted with a large star-shaped piping tip. Run a warm towel around the outside of the cake pan and remove the sides. A sharp knife will also really do the trick. Then pipe dollops of topping around the top of the cheesecake and pop some mini Oreos onto each dollop and you are done! So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring the little notification bell so you get notified when my next video goes live. I upload 5 days a week, so there's a ton of recipes coming for you. And if you have some other ideas for other no-bake cheesecake recipes that you'd like to see, definitely let me know. I have a tiramisu one coming. I was going to do it actually instead of this, but I couldn't find the little lady fingers to put around the outside of the cake, which I think will look so cute. Anyway, yeah, so that's why we did cookies and cream this week. I'm also thinking of doing a cookie crisp cheesecake, so with the little mini chocolate chip cookie cereal. I think that would be so cute. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think and which recipe you'd like me to do first. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye!